Hello world, my name's Charlie and I'm the Offbeat Picker. I'm a full-time reseller and my favorite thing to sell is toys, especially plush. So today I'm opening a Goodwill blue box of mystery plush. This is a 10-pound box and I ordered it for $30 plus shipping. So not the greatest price in the world for plush, but it's really fun to get a mystery thing and you never know what you're gonna get, and you can usually get your $30 back, but sometimes you get lucky and you get something worth a lot of money. So that's what I'm hoping happens here. I'm hoping there's something in here that's going to get me a lot of money back, and maybe there's something in there I can keep because I do love plush because I collect a lot of things. Let's open it up and see what's inside, guys. Okay, right on top I'm seeing a rather big guy, so I'm hoping he's not taking up the whole box, but he's kind of cool. It's a whack-a-mole. This has got to be like a prize from an arcade. Look, somebody had them in their yard sale for $4 and he didn't sell, so they donated them to Goodwill. And Goodwill threw them in a box. So, yeah, that's really cool. He's still got his tag on him. It's like the Mattel version of the whack-a-mole game. And this is just a big plush mole. This is kind of cool. Yeah, he's probably given away at an arcade. One is a prize. I don't know how much he's worth. I wouldn't be surprised if I can get most of my money back off this guy. Like, I could see him being $20 plus shipping. Like, I could see somebody wanting that guy. So that's definitely a good start to this box. Next, I'm seeing a Build-A-Bear. This is just the basic, simple Build-A-Bear, little vanilla cub. He still has his tag, so that's really nice. He probably sells for around $10 plus shipping, with his tag and everything, since he's new and clean condition. That's definitely a good find. That's gonna get me a few dollars back. I can't complain about that guy. It's looking like a lot of big stuff in here, so this video might be very short, but I really like the look of this next guy. This is one of those guys that's gonna be hard to sell because he's fantastic. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. What brand is this? It says Hug Me. It says it is a light up dragon. Press the try me button. Oh wow. I don't know if you can see his eyes light up. Wow, apparently this is from Walgreens. So if I remember, I feel like I've seen these at Walgreens at some point, and they were like $20, but I think I can probably get pretty good money for this guy just because he's a really cool dragon. He's got this realistic looking scale pattern on his sides. He does still light up and work. It does look like you can change his batteries out, which is nice because a lot of people don't want to buy battery operated plush if they can't replace the batteries. This is a really cool dragon. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if I can get $20 plus shipping, maybe more for this guy. I mean, his eyes light up. He's still got his tags on him like he's brand new. He roars. Like, this guy's really cool. I really like that. Next item, also taking up a lot of room in the box. This is a 16.5-inch sitting hippo. This is a Fiesta brand. This is just a really nice large hippo. Definitely going to use realistic in the title for this guy because he just looks like a real gray hippo. I kind of like his facial expression. I mean, it feels like he needs something to eat, right? He's got his mouth wide open, big old teeth. Yeah, he's cute. I could see this being a $20 plush. I like this guy. I definitely think I'm going to get my $30 back off this box, so that's a good thing. Here we have most people's least favorite thing to find, but I don't mind. This is Bella. It's a Beanie Boo. Her candy cane is becoming detached from her hands, but she's super cute. I'm pretty sure I have multiples of this in my collection, but I don't know about this size. I'll have to look. She does also have a hole in her head. She may have to just go in my collection. She'll look good on the shelf with all the other Christmas bears. Guess I found my first thing to keep. That's good to me. Here we have an Aurora giraffe. These small Aurora plush like this do sell really well. Usually in the $8 to $10 range, so you don't get a ton of money, but they sell. This one's a really cool color pattern. Like this giraffe is like purple and yellow and orange and like almost maroon spots. So super cute. I could totally see this being like a $8 plus shipping little giraffe, maybe $10, depending on how many of this color are out there. Super cute. I like that guy. I see a SpongeBob. No tags, so still cute. Usually if I find little characters like this, any Nickelodeon character, I just kind of set them to the side until maybe I find a Patrick or a Gary to put with them, because SpongeBob by himself probably isn't worth a lot of money. But, you know, if you bundle them up with a couple of other guys, then you can probably increase your listing price. So that's cute. That's sellable. I like it. Here we have a Pegasus. No name brand, but a cute little horse. I mean, she's got pink wings, pink and purple, shiny glitter in the mane. That's cute. I could totally see this being like a $10 plush. That'll get me a few bucks. I don't mind that. This feels like something battery operated. This is a little live bear from Moose. Moose makes like Shopkins, and let's see if it works. He needs batteries. He looks okay condition though. He's not like dirty or anything, so this is probably a newer toy. I'm sure he's worth selling. 2018, so not too old, not too new, but it's got a little pacifier with him. Probably makes noises and stuff when you put his batteries in. It's kind of a cute little guy. I'm sure I can make a few bucks there. I see a Webkinz cat. You can't go wrong with Webkinz. People really do love the Webkinz. This one actually still has its tag on there sealed, so that's nice. So it probably has the code with it, which means you can sell it for more money if it has the tag with the code, so they can use it on the online game. I have had a couple of cats that have gone for pretty good money, and when I say pretty good, I mean like, you know, 12 to 15 instead of 8. But still, that's a good price, and this is a cute little cat. I mean, a black and white spotted. That's definitely sellable. We have a puppy dog. There's no brand on this guy. There's a string over here to the side, but I don't see any tags. Someone cut off all his tags. But he's just a cute little, what is he, maybe a beagle? I'm not sure. But he's cute. Just a cute little puppy dog, maybe $8 plus shipping. You still get a couple dollars. I like it. I see a tag down there that makes me excited. Barely Their Company, Westminster. Don't know what that is. Just a posable, articulated teddy bear. He has a really weird texture to his fur. It's kind of rough and stiff. I don't really like that. I'll have to look up that company. I've never heard of it. But I could still see this being like an $8 bear, even if it's a no-name company, just because it's an articulated bear. There's a lot of people that collect these fancy-looking little teddy bears. He's sellable. I'm going to save the thing I'm excited about for last. I don't know what it is, but I can see the tag, and the tag says Puffkins, and I like Puffkins. I think they're super cute. This honestly looks like a dog toy. Yep, it's a dog toy. This is a dog toy. It's used. I probably have to just redonate this. I could wash it and give it to my dogs as long as I get it really clean. Just a little squirrel. We'll wash him and see what happens. We have Boo, the world's cutest dog. This is Exercise Boo. I guess that's why he has these little goggles on. I have sold the Christmas version of Boo, World's Cutest Dog before for I think close to $20. So I feel like this guy's probably missing something. He's probably supposed to have something more than just goggles, but either way I can totally see this selling for 10 to 15. Nice little, easy to list, cute little plush. What are the odds? If you watched my last mystery box video, I got this guy, and only he was stuffed. I did look him up, and I figured out the Noah's Ark Animal Workshop. It's kind of like an off-brand Build-A-Bear site. So this is just the skin. He doesn't have the filling in there. He's hollow. What are the odds that I get the same alien 2 boxes in a row? That's super weird. Like, Who expected that? I mean, tell me in the comments. How weird is it? 2 boxes in a row, you get the same random plush. So he's not worth a lot, but that's kind of an interesting thing to come across twice. This is a Boyd's Bear. He is vintage from the 90s. Let me see. I'm going to have to comb his fur a little because I can't quite see his eyes because he's been squished a little. His hat looks a little damaged, but people do collect Boyd's Bears. What I'll probably do with this one, since he's so small and his hat's not in great condition, I'll probably lot him up with another one just to add value to another one, because I'm not sure his resale value is going to hold up on his own in this condition, but Boyd's Bears do sell. 3 things left in the box, starting with a McDonald's Tigger keychain from the Tigger movie. What was it, like 97, 98 when this came out, and they had these toys at McDonald's and they had the keychains and everybody's dressed up as a Tigger. Super cute little keychain. Probably not worth anything. I collect Disney stuff and I put it all over my house, so I'll probably literally just hang that little Tigger somewhere. I'll keep that. And this one's kind of cute. This definitely looks vintage just by the coloring. He does not have, he has a tag, but it just says all new material made in China. So not a very informative tag. Just looks like a little vintage plush. I would not be surprised if I can get like $20 for this guy, because the bright colors, the neon, so just putting neon in the title is going to help. His pants are made of more of like a parachute material type fabric, and parachute material plush do always sell for good money, though I wouldn't consider this to be a parachute plush. He's kind of like half and half, but just a cute little brightly colored puppy. I could totally see that going for 15 to 20 plus shipping. People like brightly colored things. And the last thing, I'm gonna call this my favorite thing in the box. It's a pumpkin. Did anybody collect pumpkin? Did any of you collect pumpkins back in the 90s? They were popular around the same time as Beanie Babies were. This is 1994 pumpkins. I only had a couple, and recently I found a couple at an estate sale, so now I've got like 5 or 6, and I get really excited every time I find one. So I'm probably going to keep this little cat just because I collect stuff. I like stuff. It's probably not worth maybe $8 plus shipping, maybe less. It really just depends on if there's a lot of them listed out there. I think the easiest way to sell pumpkins is usually if you bundle some up. They're not that desirable, I guess. There's not, how many times can I say there's not that many people like me that are just going, ooh, I love pumpkins, I want pumpkins, I don't think. So, but yeah, he's cute. I'm going to keep that one. And that's all we've got. Overall, I'd say that was a pretty good box, even though there was a few big things that took up most of the box, so it's not a lot of quantity. There was some quality items in there, so I definitely think I'll get my money back. I'm going to say it was worth it this time. I've only got 1 box left to open after this one, so let me know in the comments if you think I should order more because you like these videos, or if you think I'm crazy and wasting my money. Either way, until next time, guys, bye!